Hi guys, I wish you all doing well. From the previous chapter, we learned the soil properties and the soil textures. So in this following chapter, we are going to explore the agricultural methods and the pest management. So my focuses with this chapter would be the problems with pesticide use and alternatives to conventional agriculture. So development agriculture, this is a very ancient, old topic. It evolves a long history with humans. It is predicted that over the next 40 years, global food production will need to increase 70% to prevent massive famine. So to prevent people starving, we almost have to double the yield of the crops. That is a very tremendous task to achieve. So my question for you here is, how much land do we have for agriculture? This is a slide from last chapter, and I want to mention again, not all the land is proper to produce crops. Almost half is not usable. And in the half that is usable, only 2% is unlimited use. And most of the land needs care and thorough management. They cannot produce food without stop. So these are the food challenges we are facing today. I want you to spend a few minutes on page 324. And we have increasing population, we have increasing demand, and we have limited land resources. And in the next chapter, we're going to explore the water challenges, which is very imminent and real. And because of those increasing demands and the limited resources, we still, a lot of area of the world is still suffering from rural poverty. So this is an area we need novel research and education and the techniques and the technologies to improve. Of course, our goals are enhancing sustainability and reduce poverty. And the food challenges are real, and hunger is real. And a lot of people in the world suffer from hunger. We will explore that aspect in our case study. So looking back thousands of years ago, and we use human labor to produce food. And today we have machinery to do this work for us. But the machinery, although they are very efficient, it also bring a lot of environmental problems. So this is a very old way of doing agriculture. We cut off the trees, expose the land for crop use. It has benefit. It involves labor, and labor gets paid, so people get compensation. And that is one of the economic reasons some of the countries still doing that today. And the shifting agriculture also release some of the burned mass release that back into the environment. So that bring back the natural nutrients to the soil and the environment. Generally, the clear soil is useful for a couple of years, and it is very useful for the mountain area, for the areas with hills not completely flat. And it is not suitable for large, densely populated areas.